Guys, to marry many wives, polygamy is not good. Just because Musa Mseleku, he is at hospital now. You can saw it's season 8 in January. Guys, Musa Mseleku, he is admitted at the hospital just because he has a it's heart attack. Guys, just because his wives give him headache just because, guys, it's not easy. Just because they were Uyu Macele and Mayeni, they were fighting, and Mangwabe, she is going to sign the divorce papers. She is going to divorce Museleku just because Musa Mseleku, when he is marrying Mangwabe, he is Mangwabe that Mangwabe is the last wife. He is not going to marry another wife. And Jiggy Jiggy, he changed now. He changed. Now he say he changed. He was going to marry another fifth wife just because Musa Mseleku was saying Mangwabe is an ignorant person, and most of the time Mangwabe, she is not talking too much, but Mangwabe, she is not pay at Musa Mseleku. We don't even want to lie. Mangwabe, she is an ignorant person most of the times. That's why you know men they want attention, and Mangwabe, she is not giving Musa Mseleku enough attention. That's why Musa Mseleku, he is going to marry another 50 wife.